In this video, we're going to implement a doubly linked list this time. Now, I've done a little pre-work here just so we don't have to drag all the way through it, but I defined our doubly linked node, and here's what it looked like. It has, instead of just a single pointer, it now has a next and previous pointer, and also I'm going to correct an annoyance I made in earlier videos. I don't like that this wasn't uppercase. Here, all this node as before has is a simple constructor which sets the next and previous nodes and defaults to null if they're not there. So given this should be pretty straightforward. Like I said, we've got a pointer to our next node and our previous node now in a doubly linked list. So now we're going to look at implementing it. First, let's define our template class. We will say templated type. First, we'll include our doubly linked node T and class doubly linked list. All right. So now, first operation we want to look at. First, let's define our head pointer and tail pointer. We'll set to null and our size equal to 0. Now, what we're also going to do is create public methods which will get the first node. Get a pointer to the first node if we need to use it. So we'll say head, return head, and we'll have get tail. Okay. Now, given that, we're also going to define another public method. Rear. Sorry, I got backwards there. And I'm going to also call, I don't like push and pop for a list. Front. Did. So that'll add it to the front. Now, the trickiest situation is when we want to add code between two nodes. Okay, here, void, insert after node data, and we're going to then set up, and if our list is empty, we're going to make it the new node. Otherwise, new node, next node will be the new node, and the previous node will be our current node that we've created, and nodes next will equal our new node. And basically, this will correctly insert it into the list, and we also reestablish the relationship between the appropriate next and previous node. And this should have us all set to go. So I'm not going to implement the rest. You can do that as an exercise yourself, but this should give you an idea of how a doubly linked list would work.